Now, this third print line is actually string repetition. Print, you've got your parentheses, you have an equal sign in quotes, and the asterisk, which is the multiplication sign, and then two numbers, 60. So it might look strange. We're using the asterisk symbol, which you know is multiplication, but we're applying it to a string. In Python, when you use the asterisk operator with a string and a number, it repeats that string. So equals times 60, or whatever you have in that string, in those quotes, times 60 takes that and repeats it 60 times. That's string repetition. It creates a long line of equal signs. When we print this, it creates a visual separator line in our terminal output. In addition to string repetition, some people call it string multiplication. People find it incredibly useful for creating visual formatting. Instead of typing 60 equal signs manually, which is tedious and error-prone, Python lets us generate them automatically. Now, 60 characters isn't actually a random number. It's a line that's a good width for most terminal displays. It's long enough to create a clear visual separation, but not so long that it wraps to the next line on standard screens. So this demonstrates how Python operators can work differently with different data types. The asterisk means multiplication with numbers, but it means repetition with strings. It's the same operator, but Python intelligently applies the appropriate behavior based on what data types you're working with.